Hi, boys and girls. It's Laura the Teach, and today our letter is U. Now, U is a vowel, so we have a short vowel and a long vowel sound. Hi to Maggie in the background. She just decided to join me again. So, U in sign language, we make our fist and we put these two fingers up. Instead of making our peace sign, we keep them together. And I think of you as pushing up your umbrella. For short U. Long U, of course, says its own name. You. So for short U, like up. And long U, unicorn. Now, when we're looking at fonts, sometimes our fonts can be a little bit different. Sometimes our uppercase U's will have a little tail like that lowercase U does. Sometimes they won't. Our lowercase U's also sometimes have a little tail and sometimes they don't. But for the most part, no matter what style you use, a U looks like a U. Now, there aren't many animals that start with the letter U. So I found one long vowel animal and one short vowel animal. Our long U, U. This is a type of primate called a Uakari. And this is an umbrella bird. Can you think about why it might be called an umbrella bird? Because it looks like it's got an umbrella covering its face. So, Uakari, U, or umbrella bird. So to remind you, the sound of U, short U says long U says you.